All right, special area team, I thought it would be easier for me to make a video that I could send out to you to watch and rewatch for how we're going to upload our videos to YouTube and then put them on It's Learning. There have been lots of glitches. I can't guarantee that this video is going to be flawless, but I'm going to try my best. The first step is obviously to create your video and save it somewhere where you can access it. I have mine currently just saved on my desktop or on my PC. You can save it wherever it is that you can access it from. So we're going to go to Google and we're going to go to YouTube. Each grade level has their own login. They are similar, but they are not exactly the same. And I can certainly send a document with those logins. So we're going to sign in. For those of you that were not at the meeting yesterday, if you look, the login is just maesgrade@gmail.com. I'm going to log into 4th grades for now. The passwords are also similar. It's capital Y, U, try again, capital Y, O, U, capital R, O, C, K, capital G, R, the grade level, so 4, exclamation point. And again, I can save that. So it's U, rock, grr, and the grade level, exclamation point. Once you're logged in, each grade level has their own channel. So we're in their channel, and what changed since yesterday is that they're only going to have one playlist. So once you're in YouTube, you go up to the little horseshoe. I'm going to say to double check you're in the grade that you think that you're in, and go to the channel. This is the channel. They're only going to have one playlist. So right now there's no videos in their playlist, so the playlists aren't showing up. If you want to see it, you can go to Customize Channel, and you can see that they have Distance Learning Videos Grade 4. All of their videos and all of our videos are going to be housed in this one playlist. That's the only way we can make it accessible to parents. So just so you know, they're all going to be there. When you're ready to upload your video, you go up to this little plus camera looking guy and push Upload Video. And you're going to hope that your computer is nice and fast. You're going to select your file, which I have a Wheeler Media Week 1. Open. Then this is what's most important. Since they're all going to be in that one playlist, we're going to use common conventions for naming. So we're going to use our content. So my content is media. I'm going to put my name. So we're all going to put our content, our name, and then we can put a date range. So I'm going to be using this video from 9/8 to 9/13 because I'm going to use it next Monday. So this video is their media lesson from 9/8 to 9/13. You can put a description. So mine is Get to Know Miss Wheeler and Sora. And hit Next. This screen you can skip. This is important. You're going to make it unlisted. This is why we are only going to have that one playlist. I missed something important. I'm going to go back. On this screen, sorry, you're going to come down and make sure you put it in the Distance Learning playlist. I told you this would not be perfect. So again, on this screen, you put content, name, date, or date range. You can put a description and then scroll down to Distance Learning videos. Then hit Next. This was the screen I said you could skip. Make sure that you're unlisted. Save. And it does take several minutes for it to process, and you want to wait for it to process. You can push close, but it's not, oh, look at that. It actually uploaded quickly. So there's your video. So once you have your video in there, when you go to their playlist now, you should see your video. So Media, Wheeler, and let's click on it and see if it works. So there's my video. So now that you have your video, you are going to take the link for that video. So I clicked on it, so the link is up here. If you want, you can also get the link. I believe you can share it down here, and it'll give you a link. So either one will work. I generally just use the one at the top. So we're going to copy that link.
Hi, my fabulous Magnolia.
awfulness of listening to your own voice. And now I'm going to put it in It's Learning for our parents. So I'm going to go to It's Learning. And Nancy, this is where I may do it completely wrong, and you are welcome to call us all together and say Miss Wheeler does not know what she's doing. I put my video in 4th grade, so I'm going to go to 4th grade, work there, and then I'm going to go to my plans. I did not want this to go in week 1, so I actually added a plan for Welcome Back week. And the date for that I set as today so that we could see. So Welcome Back, the date is set as today, and I'm going to add a link to this. So I'm going to say Welcome Back video, and I'm going to paste that YouTube link. The problem is you are going to have to do this in every grade level's plan. So now here that is. So now I have in my plan that is set to go for this week, my Welcome Back video is there. I did want to check to see if it worked, and in all honesty, I'm not sure if I did do it correctly, so we're about to see. I opened an incognito window. Let's do that. No, I already had it opened, and I guess I closed it. I had logged in as Miss Jade Roche, so let's see if I can just do it from here. If I go to harford.itslearning, it of course makes me log in, and we need to hope that I remember Jade's login. Let's see if I remember it. Okay, so this is actually Jade's course. So if I did this correctly, when I go to 4th grade, she has the link to my live lesson, which I think I put in the wrong place, and that's okay. I'm not worried about it. And when I click start, gives me, oh, that's just to the link. Welcome back. Here is my, and Nancy, you're welcome to tell me later why this looks like this. Welcome back video. And here is my video for Jade to watch. And since it's, there's my video. Hopefully this was helpful. I obviously am not great with It's Learning because for some reason everything is coming up. I'm not sure why, and I'm going to certainly inquire as to why I'm not the best with It's Learning. So if you have any questions, feel free to call me on Teams. My cell phone about YouTube, my cell phone is 410-804-4053. We just need to make sure our videos are uploaded in those playlists and then put in It's Learning. All right, thank you.